So here and in this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can apply the bokeh blur effect to the video clips on the Davinci Resolve software, as it is different from the normal blur and it looks more and more realistic to the video, that it looks like the video has been actually recorded from a good camera lens. So all you need to do is to just simply open the Davinci Resolve software and import the media files to the timeline that you want to apply this effect. Now here on this effects panel, just simply search for bokeh. Once you search it, you can see if I search blur, now you can see in this open effects panel, you can see this option of lens blur over there. So all you need to do is to just simply drag and drop to the video clip. Now here on the settings of it, you can see this option of aperture shape. You can make changes to this aperture shapes as well in this effect so that it looks more appealing and more realistic than the normal blur effect. And you can make changes to some more settings of this blur so that you can see that some triangle as it looks more realistic in hexagons as well. As you can see, the premium lenses use hexagon bokeh effects. So by this method, you can easily add the bokeh effect to the video clips. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.